Yeah, well, you don't know base attack. I have to comment on the thing, because I see a thing on Facebook and I put my face beside Addy face and put words from somebody else. So I have to comment. Alright, everybody know what Flex say Cartel no fair voice, and I have to give my opinion on it. But I understand what Flex try say still, you know. But here me say now, me no believe say Cartel need to stop voice to come around the place. When I say we, I talk about bass, I don't talk about TOK. You see me? Big up Cartel fans. Cartel is doing what every artist is supposed to do, which is drop music for run the place. You see me I say? And this is a competitive game, this is dancehall. So we don't need no guy to stop voice to come run the place. Basically, I go solo and I come run the place. And I know when I run the place, a man say, yeah, I true Addy stop voice, or true this man stop voice or whatever. I come run the place with every man voice in the same way. Cartel is doing what every artist is supposed to do, which is lock the game as much as he can. And for another thing, them for know say Cartel now run the place, how them expect him to run the place, you know, or how him did I run the place, you know. Alkaline at a road, Akan at a road, and Father at in the last part of the area. So I don't want a man make it sound like him have to stop voice to run the place. You see me I say, and I don't know if that's what Flex was saying, because I never really see the full interview. I just saw the part on Facebook. You see me I say, but me just make people know say my opinion is that Cartel no need to stop voice for any other artist run the place. The man them just need to turn up the thing. You see me I say? And the next thing is dancehall is from the streets. I don't know bad man thing in the thing. So me no really want to carry to that level because at the end of the day, any man that could happen to any man. You see me I say? Not necessarily kill a man, but you have beef with a man and you end up in a jail. And I wouldn't wish that on my enemy, much less another artist. You see me I say? So when Flex are talking, for really look on it two sides, because anything can happen tomorrow and it end up in a jail. And you would want to know, so even if you're in a jail, you still do what you love, which is to make music. It provide therapy, it provide maybe you might get an income out of it. You don't know. You see me I say? So there's a lot of sides to it. So I don't fully agree with Flex. I know what I try to say, and I feel say myself enough people I think. So I not knock him for that, but really and truly, at the end of the day, we don't need no guy to stop voice for run the place. Me no need it. And the next thing, when I say we, I talk about basic, I see a lot of people commenting and I try to make it look like a TOK. Flex, Basie never said that, Craigie T never said that, Alex never said that, Flex said that. So make sure when you comment, all of the Gaza fans where are going like, you know, intimidate people, make sure you don't put TOK name in the comments. Because TOK never make a comment like that. And no guy, no come do what TOK do as a group in a dance hall. You can't compare solo artists to group. You see me? So I don't want a man come mix up TOK because me will defend that. You see me? But you don't know, me there in Europe, I promote my solo thing, my thing loud, Better Must Come EP, straight out of Portmore t-shirt. And that's why I have to big up Addy. Because Portmore will come from, and I know the Cartel was the man who put Portmore on the map alongside Buccaneer, Frisco Kid and Cabra and enough of it. You see me I say? And if you check the straight out of Portmore video, at the end of it, I big up every Portmore artist, including Addy. So I don't want a man try make it look like, you see me? We are fight against the brother, we bad mind the brother. Me really feel it say a man get 35 years, an artist. I don't really like that something there. But if a man do him do, and the government and the judge find you guilty, and rare, you just have to do your time. And if him can do him music in there, maybe you would have want to say more like some of the money where he make supposed to go to the family, or the government supposed to can take a thing soon as though them a feed him in there or whatever. That's a different argument. But a man for doesn't know say right now, dancehall is dancehall, and we don't need no guy to stop sing for run the place. Yeah, basically I log in and I check in. You see me I say, I might do that video again, a shorter version, because I realize at 4 minutes me I talk. I have a lot on my mind. You see, Mad Move, Berlin, Basie, Mad Move, Portmore, Bomb Rush them.